Let me see.
Most skylanders no leg.
That looks like the actual game
Yeah.
for your Xbox.
Yeah. It is. Oh yeah, I'm here first. Can you help me? Oh, this side.
Oh, that side?
Yeah. Did you?
Look at your toy, dude.
I got my ham.
Yeah, those are your good guys. You could be both of them guys.
I have a ham.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look, it comes with this, where you put all your guys on. Remember that thing? And it comes with, look, a game for your Xbox.
And then dip Mimi's in the
Traps.
and you then dip Mimi's the apples in the gun.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and try again.
Oh, the apple's in his gun?
Yeah.
He already played that one, huh?
You must have, huh?
Alright, bud.
You
So
like
thank you,
it?
Santa.
It's the Santa. Hey, how do you open it?
Oh, we're not gonna